Deep underground lives a hero like no other, the mighty Burp Master. Burp Master has three amazing powers. First, the cartoon pop burp. Second, the comedic echo burp, super loud. And in emergencies, he uses magical burp with sparkles to digest objects instantly. But not everyone loves fun and burps. Enter No Mouth Boy and Motorcycle Stuntman. Don't worry, Burp Master has his friends, Caterpillar, the tiny wise hero, and Eggplantman, who rolls into battle like a cannonball. Together they are the Burp Brigade. The villains attack. No Mouth Boy silences the city. Motorcycle Stuntman charges, but Burp Master and his friends fight back. Burp Master puffs up his cheeks and lets out a burp so mighty the ground wobbles like jelly. Motorcycle Stuntman goes flying, triple somersault, spinning through the air, and lands headfirst in a trash can, legs wiggling. The city is safe again thanks to Burp Master, Caterpillar, and Eggman. Remember, kids, don't hold your burps in.